What's up, guys? Welcome to my trade recap for the week ending. Let me see what it was the week ending. So let's say on the 19th or 18th of April. So this particular video is just going to be a trade recap on GBPUSD. If you want to see my previous trade recap on NAS 100 trades, you can check my most recent video. But for this particular trade recap, I'm going to be talking about GBPUSD, what I saw from the market and why I decided to go long on this trade and how I was able to take 2% from this particular trade. So now come with me, let's get onto the charts. Let's get to the main business. Okay, so what did I see before I initiated this trade? So I'll take a bar replay too, and I'm going to cut out before and after. So what did I see? I could see clearly we are in an uptrend. We have the USD currently melting. I think basically based off the tariff situation with the US economy. So the USD is being currently, as at currently when I'm talking, we are on a 3-year low. That means price has not gotten this low in almost 3 years. So this is 2023. The most low we've gotten on the USD is July 10, 2023. And as currently you can see as price has broken below that low, which is quite serious with the current situation with the US economy. So, well, as a trader, I don't have a business with what is going on with any economy. My goal is to be able to capitalize off what I see. So, looking at the overall play, I can see that the USD is melting and there's a lot of momentum. So, I went to GBPUSD and my other USD pair to find trading opportunity. So, after scanning through, I found GBPUSD worthy of my capital. Like I said, the way I trade now, I'm a sniper. When I come to the market has to provide something that is worthy of me even trying. Do you understand? So that's how you should think about the market. You don't go into the market and just give money to the market. The market has to provide something that is worthy of you letting go of the money in your bank account or your trading account as you see it fit. So on this particular day, I was able to define that the USD is currently selling. So GBP will definitely be gaining momentum for the buy side. So I had missed some opportunities here. I wouldn't call it a missed opportunity because I was in a different trade. So yeah, so I came and I saw my double bottom formation right here, just like clockwork, how I've been explaining my trade methodology. So price uptrend, retracement, uptrend, retracement, then another uptrend, created a bottom here, which is one. Then back here, I'm looking for a double bottom to continue to buy long. So what did price do? This was 2 a.m. in the morning opening candle. The next candle just printed really bullish. So we have the pattern there. 1, 2, we have the retracement. Price is on 61 extension. So we can see rejection here. One candle rejection, yes, but we have multiple back to back. So it is valid and it's on a higher time frame. So this is not like the 15 minutes time frame. So it is valid. So we have double bottom formation. We have price on the 61 extension, price on an uptrend. So see, those are 3 confirmations, confluences to back up my claim. So I just set a buy stop right above this wick here. And what the price do? Initially, price went down. Okay, yes, it went down on the smaller time frame. Let me move this. It went down on the smaller time frame, then came back to tag me in for the buy. So I think there was little to no drawdown on this account, on this particular trade idea. So we had a break. There was a break during the Easter holiday, so there was really nothing. There was no motion in the market. So coming to the market today, you can see this is a live market. You can see all the data are currently out play. So price just went really bullish. I took a 1 to 2.5 totally on this trade because as soon as I woke up in the morning, I saw my trade as a 1 to 2. So I took partials here, TP1, then TP2, and TP3 to round up this particular entry. So same model, like clockwork. First off, I was able to define the trend. What is the trend? The trend is your friend, first of all. So I was able to define a trend. We're in an uptrend. Then I looked at the correlating pair. So some of the things that give the GBP, the pound, the motion, which is the USD. So what is it paired against is the USD. USD is currently melting. So opportunities are there on the NZD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD. Anything that is paired with the USD currently is either selling or buying. If it's the major one is going to be buying, which is Euro against the dollar, GBP against the dollar, NZD against the dollar. All of these pairs will be buying because the Euro dollar is currently weakened. So those are the first contracts. Those are the first thing I first noticed. Then secondly, I took out my fib. I was able to pull out my fib and find the best good position after a pullback to buy. Then thirdly, I was able to find a double bottom, which is the main entry criteria. Then an evening star, which is here. Then I decided to go long and let the probability unveil itself. So these are the things you need to put into your trading regimen if you are looking to follow my trading system. So this is just some good tips for you to learn how to optimize your trading. So you see, there are more than just 1, 2, 3 confirmations before I decide to go in. And that doesn't really, the confirmations doesn't guarantee anything. It just puts the probability higher in your favor. This could be a losing trade. So it just keep the probabilities higher in your favor and helps you to stay grounded. So if you like my content, if you like stuff like this, educational tips like this, trading education, don't forget to like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.